the button in. Now pull out.
Push the button.
And pull it out.
Why are there two dolls?
Because you can get in on either side.
It's not working.
The on switch is right there. And then pushing it forward makes you go forward, and pushing it back makes you go back. Okay? Okay. Gotta put your hands on the steering wheel. Put your hands like you're gonna steer it. Okay? And then put your foot on the gas pedal. Gotta hold the steering wheel. Okay. Steer it.
Drive, Jacob.
Put your foot on the gas and drive it.
Run me over.
Okay, stop. Put off the gas.
Why?
You gotta steer it before you run into stuff.
Back up.
Okay, now you put it in reverse. Now put your foot on the gas. Alright, stop. Now you gotta cut it hard, okay? Foot on the gas. Alright, back. Watch out, sis. Move. Alright. This is definitely an outdoor toy. Alright, back it up.
All right, let's give Sissy a turn. Daddy, be nice. Jacob, give Sis a turn. Ah, stop!
Stop!
All right, get up.
Jacob.
Jacob, give
It's
Sissy a
Sissy's
turn.
It's Sissy's turn.
When she's done, can I flip it?
Maybe.
I want the coin. Can I flip the coin?
Watch out, Jacob. Stand by mom.
Can I flip the coin?
Put it in reverse, Sissy.
Okay, it's in reverse. Now push the gas pedal. Hold on to your steering wheel. Jacob.
Try to shoot me.
Whoa.
Try to
Okay, now
shoot
go.
me.
No, Jacob, move. Okay, now push it up. Now push the gas. Hold on to the steering wheel. Hold on to the steering wheel. Alright, go on.
Stop!
Okay, back it up. Back it up. Alright.
I'm right here. I'm right here. Is it my turn?
All right, hey, Jacob and Addison,
What?
can you say thank you to Aunt Kelly for sending you the Jeep?
Thank you.
Thank you. Can you say thank you to Aunt Kelly? Addison.